craving for pasta. As you all know that I'm not really a pasta lover, so I have to crave for it in order for me to make it. For this video, guys, I am going to use the egg noodle pasta. And I will show you the rest of our ingredients for this dish. So we have the egg noodles. I already boiled it, guys. And then baby spinach, red bell pepper, and that's butter, mozzarella cheese, and I am going to use 1 can of cream of chicken, and then olive oil, and this is heavy cream, about a cup, and this is beef, so hopefully it is not tough. So I just cut it thinly and I put salt, pepper, and beef bouillon. So and then of course the salt and pepper, I don't need to show you that because we are going to need that, but not a lot because this one is already kind of salty. And I boiled the pasta with a little bit of salt as well. And then I'm going to after I use the cream of chicken, I'm probably gonna put like half a can of water on this just to get all the cream of chicken from the can. So let us start sauteing. Going to put olive oil. Then I'm going to put the beef. I'm going to put the cream of chicken. I'm going to put the cream. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. We'll let that boil. So now that it's boiling, guys, I'm going to add everything, the rest of the ingredients. And I tasted the beef. It is very tender. I'll put the butter and the red bell pepper. The pasta. The pasta, guys, is al dente. And then the spinach. Then I'm going to put the cheese. And that's it, guys. It is done. Looks so creamy. And let us doing our plating because I am so hungry. And look at that, guys. OMG. OMG, so pretty. So guys, doesn't it look really colorful and pretty? Let me try the beef first. I'm looking for the one that has a fat. That has the fat. So let's try the beef first. The beef just melts in your mouth. The pasta, the spinach, and the bell pepper. The beef and the pasta. See the smoke? It says that you have to twirl your pasta like that. It's really creamy, guys, because I put the butter and the cheese makes it really creamy. I really love the bell pepper, guys. The bell pepper is still crunchy. Last bite. So if you have Parmesan cheese, guys, you can also put Parmesan cheese on top. So you have the mozzarella and the Parmesan cheese together. Another delicious dish. So guys, if you cannot afford beef, like in the Philippines, beef is a little pricey. If you guys want to make this dish, you can use pork loin. So and just cut the pork really thinly sliced. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye everybody.